the response object in the mentions endpoint includes summary information. So all the endpoints have some summary information at the top. In this case, that's the total number of posts in the results. And you also get details about the post itself and the information about the publication records that are mentioned in each post. To be totally clear, there's a slight difference between the term mentions and posts. So a post, for example, is a news article, whereas a mention is the instance in that news article in which it links to or references a piece of research. So with that in mind, a post, like a news article, for example, could contain more than one mention because it contains more than one link to research. So you can actually see that here in this video example because the video is shown citing 2 pieces of research. And this is that video example in a little bit more detail. So this is an example of a YouTube post. So you can see the post ID here, which is an altmetric internal post ID, then the title of the YouTube video, the link, which actually goes back to the original video, so you can extract that and use it to link back to the video, the date that it was posted, the type, which in this case is video, but it could be blog or policy or mainstream media, and then the summary. So the summary is usually like a snippet of the text that we extracted from the post. In the case of a YouTube video, it's the text from the video description. And then below all that, you can see the research outputs. They're altmetric IDs that were referenced in this video. So importantly, there's also more data at the bottom of the response, which gives you a lot more detail about each of the items that was mentioned. So you can look for that altmetric ID or those 2 altmetric IDs that were referenced in this post, and you can get the rest of the information about those publications from the included section of the response, which is at the bottom. So